Well, this time I'll share how to create a calendar icon using guidelines. If you'd like to download it, the link is in the description. Let's start by using a rectangle object. Let's remove the color fill and replace it with just a stroke. And adjust the line so that it doesn't go outside the guideline. And let's add rounded corners to the edges of this object. Select the object, then go to the Path tab and choose Object to Path. Select the node part of this object and drag it down. We'll disconnect the nodes and delete them. Let's add a new line. Let's duplicate this section and adjust its position. Then we make the middle part. After that, we'll rotate and duplicate the object. Adjust the parts of the object to achieve balance. Okay, the corners rounded too. Now, let's duplicate the icon so we can create a solid style for it. And yes, let's select this object and go to the Path tab and select Object to Path. And let's create a box object. Select the object, then go to the Path tab and choose Stroke to Path, and select Union as well afterward. Then select all the objects and choose Union. Select this line as well, then go to the Path tab and choose Stroke to Path. And we combine them using the union. It seems like this is too high. Let's lower it. Let's select it, then go to the Path tab and choose Stroke to Path. And don't forget to select Union. Then we select Stroke to Path. And then we select Union. Select the second one and choose Difference. And here are the results, guys. I hope you find this helpful. See you later.